Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Lily visits her grandparents' 3D animated story in English. Lily zipped up her little suitcase and hurried down the stairs, her ponytail bouncing behind her. Today, she was going on a trip to visit her grandparents in the countryside. The train chugged along past green hills, farms, and sparkling rivers. Lily sat by the window watching the world go by, her sketchbook in her lap. Countryside station, steam rose from the train as it came to a stop, and there were Grandma waving with a big smile. The garden at their home was full of life. Lily chased fluttering butterflies, picked strawberries, and giggled when a fluffy cat brushed against her leg. Kitchen smelled like cinnamon and cookies. Lily helped Grandma mix the dough and sprinkle chocolate chips. Flour flew everywhere, even onto Lily's nose. They laughed and danced around as the cookies baked warm and golden in the oven. That night, Lily and Grandma sat on a bench under the stars. She pointed out constellations in the sky, the Big Dipper, Orion, and even shooting stars. Lily's eyes sparkled as she listened. It was quiet, calm, and magical. Lily's heart was full of joy. Her visit was only just beginning, but she already knew this was going to be the best trip ever.